great challenge. Like everything, if you start thinking in English, and for that, you need words. So the main problem is what exactly someone wants to describe. And for that, if the person does not have word, okay, suppose something disappeared and you want to say something disappeared, but at that very moment, you are not getting this word. What is disappeared, appeared, not appeared? What shall I say? Okay. So that time it happens
Same.
that you don't get proper word to use. That disappear is the right word or not. Disinteresting, interesting, and then disinteresting. Sometimes interesting word is very much there in the mind. Opposite should be disinteresting, interesting, not interesting, what it exactly should be. Okay. So this is important that increase your vocabulary. And for that sake, we need to consume lots of content in terms of listening, in terms of reading. We should read anything we should read. It's not that something very heavy book or some very great authors they have written that only is going to work. Initially, learners can start reading even a story book. That also helps them. Okay. Describing a story is a great learning when you teach your child any story, because your children are quite
Yeah.
small, quite young. They are just school going 7 years. Your elder one is 7 years, you said. So, do you tell them stories? So I understood the story of camel and wolf, because wolf tried to do some trick with the camel,
Yeah.
and camel also was not less. Camel also thought of teaching this wolf. It was trying
Lesson.
to become over smart. So camel also showed one trick, and it started taking bath in the river. And
Good evening, ma'am.
very
Sorry, good morning, ma'am.
good morning, good morning. No problem, it happens. Okay, so good morning. How are you? How are you, Deepika? Yes, am I right? Yes, you are Deepika. Yes.
I'm
Tell
doing
me.
great and thank you for asking. How are you, ma'am?
I'm also doing fantastic. Everything is fine. Thanks for asking me too.
Okay.
Yes. So
So,
how did you find time today? Tell me about that. It was too difficult for you to manage time. I will get to know
yeah.
that what was the problem with you. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I am Deepika. I'm from Haryana and I hold master's degree in commerce.
Mhm.
And previously I worked as a commerce teacher, but currently I am a homemaker. And I am blessed with two lovely daughters. Alongside managing my home and kids, I also run a small YouTube channel, English with Deepika. And if I come to my hobbies, so nowadays I'm just passionate by this language. So yeah, nowadays I'm working on my English speaking skills as well as communication skills. So
Mhm.
yeah, that's a little bit about me.
Oh, that's great about household chores. You are managing your two lovely daughters, and you all earlier you were working, and now maybe after raising your children, when they will be school going children, probably you will start again to work, and then you are running your own YouTube channel. Nice to hear about it. What is your YouTube channel about?
Uh, Actually, ma'am, many times I started my English journey actually, but somehow I quit it. I don't know why. Actually, I don't be I need to be consistency, but somehow I don't give the time to didn't give time to my English language. So that's why I started my YouTube channel so that I'm always connect with this language, and this channel always remind me you need to do something regarding English. So that's why. And uh, on my channel I share my personal experience, my journey, some little bit tips about to how to start their journey for beginners. So yeah,
Okay.
that's little bit about me actually. I'm sometime I make shorts for regarding English, like phrasal verbs, idioms, like
Mhm.
that. But nowadays I'm meeting the different people and making conversation videos. So yeah, nowadays I'm uploading conversation video too.
Okay. So, as you mentioned, Deepika, that you also guide people that how can they learn English and how can they be consistent. So, you yourself found it that you are not consistent, then what do you suggest the people to be consistent? What strategy do you share with them, like how they can be consistent? What do you think? Because you know better, you are doing so many things. You have many things on your plate to do every day. Because so tell me that what do you suggest the learners?
Actually, ma'am, first of all, I want to give the suggestion that is, you need to be consistency. Okay, and how to make this consistency, it's up to you. Because actually, when I used a particular method to improve my English speaking skills, so sometimes I feel overwhelmed. Sometimes I feel demotivate. So then I
Demotivated.
try to, yeah, then I try to new experiment, do new experiment with myself. I always try to shift the methods, and I mean to change the methods
Which
different
works
times.
better. Yeah.
Yeah, actually everyone is a better if you follow consistency. Everyone work very well, but sometimes when I feel overwhelmed, so it doesn't work at that time actually. Because we are feel so, then I feel no, it's not a cup of tea, and yeah, it's not working like that because
Mm.
we are already bored from that. So that's why I'm change my method time to time. Okay, and second thing, I always try to uh, do everything a new activity with myself regarding English practice. For example, I started my journey with a uh, firstly I started my journey with a mirror technique. Okay, mirror technique, then I came to my self talk, and then I try to put a lot of question with myself. What is this and what is that? How to describe this weather, and how to describe this process, what are at a time what I'm doing. Then I try to explain that thing, describe that thing
Right.
like a process. Suppose that uh, I'm making chapatis, and I'm making cooking like that. Then
Mhm.
I try to explain everything in my with myself. Okay, then after some time I feel you need to something more. Then I try to record it. I try to record myself, sometimes voice recording, sometimes video. And yeah, I also review after that recording. I also review where I'm lacking, where I'm doing mistakes. Okay, when I started video making, then I realized I am I'm into then I it helps me to improve my facial expression and body language and all these things. After that I realized no, it's not enough. You don't always talk to yourself. You need to something more. You need to talk to someone. Okay, but at that time I was consider myself introvert, so I didn't talk to anyone. Then I tried to use AI tools.
Hmm.
I pretend like I'm conversation with someone. Then yeah, I try to talk to AI tools. I spent my day of for 30 to 45 minutes on AI tools. Okay, after some time I realized now you have a little bit confidence, so you now you can connect with someone. Then I started to meet different peoples and connect with them and try to uh, talk with them. So this is my process, how to build my confidence and how to improve my English speaking skills.
Great strategy, Deepika. Nice things you shared. It is going to help the learners that what many things we need to do in order to learn one single language. Always we need to understand ourselves, our own potential, what works for me. It's not important that what works for Deepika will certainly work for Manju also. Okay. It differs person to person. Okay. What kind of learner you are. Yeah. Sometimes, Deepika, I don't know why, due to internet issues or something, your picture is getting stuck. And then again, that it gets network, I think, and then it's going well. This is what happening throughout. I don't know. So just please check, okay? Sometimes your picture is just getting stuck.
But from my side, is everything's okay? Your pictures all done. Your voice is coming properly.
Even your voice is coming properly. I don't have any complaint about your voice, but sometimes image is getting blurred at times. Okay, not always, sometimes. All right. Okay, so tell me now, how old are your both daughters?
Okay. Younger one is a 3-year-old and elder one is a 7-year-old.
Okay, do they both go to school?
Yeah,
Okay, so they
both.
are school-going children. When they go to school, probably you utilize that
Complete,
time for
complete
learning.
my household chores. Then I try to connect with people,
Okay,
make sessions.
okay. And how many people do you manage to connect every day?
I try to 3 to 4, but sometime network issue, sometime time management. So yeah, 1 or 2 necessary for me every day.
Every day you do it. Have you joined any group also?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay. What's your hobby? What's your passion?
Actually,
Hmm.
I always try to learn something new because I feel when using a one thing, then I feel overwhelmed. So I will try to learn new things.
Hmm.
Otherwise, I also learn listening music and spend time with my kids.
Right, right. Okay, do you have any questions for me, Deepika?
First, ma'am. Yeah, actually, ma'am, I always, juggling with my thoughts. At the same time, so many thoughts come in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
Then sometimes I juggling with these thoughts, how to manage it, how to manage my thoughts. And sometimes I feel stuck because I need to be a perfect word for explain myself. Sometimes I feel like that I need a perfect word. So yeah, so I want to ask that thing, how to be overcome this problem issue.
Yeah, it's a great issue actually because especially when learners start learning, they try to translate their thoughts from Hindi to English or their native language to English. This is what happens initially. But gradually, with each passing day, when they practice, when they connect with people, when they get into reading, watching some contents, and writing and thinking, then they become a little better. Then thought process coming into English is a great challenge. Like everything, if you start thinking in English, and for that you need words. So the main problem is what exactly someone wants to describe, and for that, if the person does not have word, okay, suppose something disappeared and you want to say something disappeared, but at that very moment you are not getting this word. What is disappeared, appeared, not appeared, what shall I say? Okay, so that time it happens
Same.
that you don't get proper word to use. That disappear is the right word or not. Disinteresting, interesting, and then disinteresting. Sometimes interesting word is very much there in the mind. Opposite should be disinteresting, interesting, not interesting, what it exactly should be. Okay, so this is important, that increase your vocabulary, and for that sake we need to consume lots of content in terms of listening, in terms of reading. We should read anything, we should read. It's not that something very heavy book or some very great authors they have written that only is going to work. Initially, learners can start reading even a story book. That also helps them. Okay. Describing a story is a great learning when you teach your child any story, because your children are quite
Yeah.
small, quite young. They are just school going, 7 years. Your elder one is 7 years, you said. So, do you tell them stories?
Yeah, sometime, but they not understand everything. So say, no, Mama, you speak in Hindi only.
Okay, so would you like to tell a story here in English? Any story which you want to describe in your own words? Simple, short story. Any story which appeals you or which you have told your daughters sometimes, or you heard from your grandma or mama. So you can describe that story. That's a great learning if you describe
Yeah,
it.
you are right, ma'am.
Hmm.
Anyways, uh, last night I told the story to my kids.
Hmm.
That is a camel and a fox.
Right.
Not fox. It's a wolf, not fox. It's a wolf.
Yes. Camel and wolf. Hmm.
Yeah. One camel always try to find food. Okay, but not able to find here and there. Okay, but when they sit on the mm, what say bank of river, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, bank of river. Then suddenly wolf come and say, why are you sitting here? Then camel say, actually I need a food, but I haven't I'm not able to find, because I everyone try to find, but I
I'm
not
not
able to
getting food
find.
anywhere. Yes. I
I'm not.
tried searching for food everywhere, but I'm not getting
But
food. Yes. Right.
yeah.
Hmm.
So then wolf say, I have an idea. If you help me, then I will help you to get food. Then say, it's okay, but you need to cross the river. Then camel said, okay, but how I cross the river? Because water is flow full of enough flow
The river
flow.
is quite
So,
deep. The river is quite deep.
and water flow is so heavy.
Hmm.
So then
The current is
camels
so
say,
heavy. Yes. Right. Right. Hmm.
sat on my back, and then I help you to cross the river. Then camel will say, yeah, okay. Then they cross the river. Then they go to their field in the night. Okay, they go to the field in the night. Then they eat whatever they want. They eat. They
They
get their
ate.
food.
Hmm. They got some food in the field and they started eating. They ate something. Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then because of wolf have a small stomach, small tummy, then they eat early. They get early food. Okay.
Hmm.
But camel have a big stomach, so they
Hmm.
need to time to get more food.
Hmm.
Then wolf say, please do fast, because now I'm full of
I'm full.
stomach.
Hmm.
I'm full. So
Hmm.
now you need to hurry up. Then say, please wait for a minute, because I have more
I
food.
have to eat a
Then,
little more. Yes.
oh yeah, I have to little more, eat a little more. Then suddenly, wolf try to uh, voice come out the voice, like I don't know what say. They used to come voice
He
in the
started
middle of.
speaking. Started speaking. Wolf started probably howling. That's called howling, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Yes.
howling. Suddenly, the owner of the field woke up,
Woke
and
up
they woke up and run
and came towards the
behind them.
field.
Yeah, behind them. Then wolf uh, run fastly. Then go from the. I mean to say, come out from the field
Hmm.
in hurry. But camel just trying to eating fast. Okay. Then uh, owner has come, and they start beating of camel,
Hmm.
because they destroy their field.
Hmm.
Okay.
And the
Then
crops too. Yes.
yeah, but and wolf already arrived the bank of uh, river. Okay, but camel came late. You can say slowly, just
Hmm.
because they beaten by the owner.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they
The
feel
camel was
so
beaten by the owners. Yes, right.
owner. Yeah. then Wolf say sorry about that, everything. After eating food, after getting food, I feel too howling,
Hmm.
you know,
I feel
loud.
like howling.
Yeah,
Yeah, after eating food, I felt like howling. So I just did it. Yeah.
yeah. Then Camel said, "It's okay, bro. It's okay. But how to, cross the
The river again.
river?"
Hmm.
Yeah. Then they say, "And sorry about it. Please and forget me. And now please help me." You again sat on the back, me, and then I will cross the river. Then Camel think about it. Okay, fine. You can sit on my back. Then I cross the river. Okay. When camel reach in the middle of the river, then camel said, now I'm feeling to lay down in the river
What? In the river itself. Yes.
because the river's water is so fresh and cold. I need to,
Lie down.
take a bath and I need to lay down.
Ah,
Then wolf say, no, please don't do that, because if you do that, then
I will
I will
die.
die because the water flow is very high and I can't
I don't know
swimming.
swimming. Yes.
He flew away.
Hmm.
So that is the story, and the moral of the story is that what you do, what will you do? Nee, what did you do with someone, and it come back to you like
It
that.
comes back
I
to you.
mean,
Yes, yes. What you
exactly.
do, you get the same. This is
Yeah,
the
you get the
reality.
same.
Yes, you get the same. So, see, this is also one way to learn English. While
Yeah,
telling the story, somewhere you are stuck in, you are looking for the word, you are trying another word. Maybe somewhere you got appropriate words, some places you did not get appropriate words, but somehow you managed to make me understand.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So I understood the story of camel and wolf because wolf tried to do some trick with the camel,
Yeah,
and camel also was not less. Camel also thought of teaching this wolf. It was
yeah,
trying to become over smart. So camel also showed one trick, and it started taking bath in the river. And as a result, what happened that now already you have told. So this is one way of learning English. So people can read simple stories. See, the story is very simple. But when it
yeah,
comes to narrate whole thing, then you need to have certain verb. Okay?
yeah,
Yeah, flow of water or the current of wave of so many words, no, in between. So you need to know all these words. How to get the words? So simple words if you want to know, because we usually want to speak English somewhere like we can manage in the society, in the market, in children's school. Okay. For that reason, simply even class 2, 3, 4, 5 books, if you read, that also helps a lot. But reading is such a thing that everybody is not into it. Yeah, some people love to read, and some people feel drowsy while reading. This is the
yeah.
big.
One question: when I narrate the stories, the story always narrate in a past tense.
Yes,
Sometime present.
yes, always in the past tense, because you are talking about the things. Story means what? What happened in the past? That becomes a story. That becomes a story.
Already getting. Yeah,
Already
yeah.
it had
Okay.
happened in the past. So it's always to be narrated in past tense. So that is there. So well
So,
explained, Deepika. You tried hard, but you explained the story well. It was a nice learning for others. They will watch this video and they will try now to narrate a story. Simple story, maybe Thirsty Crow. Yes,
yeah,
and that also a very simple story. But when you start narrating, sometimes somewhere people get stuck that what is to be used here. Okay, so narrating a story is also a great way of learning English.
and really, it's a lovely session for me. I'm eagerly waiting to connect with you, actually, because
Yes,
uh, whenever I meet someone, so I learn a lot of things from that person. So
true that.
yeah, here also enjoy this session. I learned a lot of things from you, and I will also try. We will try to connect with next time too.
Sure, sure, sure. Only the problem with time management, whatever time I was allotting you, you are not ready at that time. So yeah, sometimes it happens because you have your own responsibilities, and I have my responsibilities due to my classes. I'm not able to manage every time, but yes, once the classes are over, and if I'm
So I
free,
can understand. I can understand that thing. You have no much time to everyone.
yes, yes.
But
But
ma'am, I
still,
want to ask you one
hmm,
thing.
hmm.
So please suggest me which kind of methods I used so that I'm improving more and more.
So yes, hearing you for so long. Must learn 5 new words every day.
Okay.
Maybe 5 verbs you learn. First, you start with verbs and their 3 forms. It's very important if you have to narrate something in past or in future or in perfect, then all 3 forms of verbs are very important. They play a great role in framing the sentence structure. So first you learn words. 5 words from any book, anything, newspaper. When you hear something on TV, you can just write down if new word comes appears in front of you. You should write, and then just by writing and storing those words will not help. You need to use those words in your daily
Yeah.
life. Okay, so always when five
Actually,
words you have learned, keep thinking about how can I frame sentence out of these words. Same word in present tense, same word in past tense, in future tense. Okay. And then their forms like simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. In the same way, past and future also. Keep thinking about the uses of those words. When you will use those words, those words will be somewhere registered in your mind. So that is very important. And at the time of speaking, probably you will use those words. That's always important. Okay.
directly, I meant to say we need to work on my grammar, my vocab and words.
Yes, yes. Grammar and little words. That's it. Okay. Rest is fine.
Okay, thank
Rest
you,
is
ma'am.
fine.
Thank you so much.
Okay, okay, Deepika. Thank you so much for reaching out to me and being the guest on my channel.